In this new normal, wherein you discourage face-to-face, the new trend is to go online, right? Online meetings, online classes, halos tanan online na. O isa sa needed kaayo for this new normal is to have a good camera. Labi na gayon if you are using a desktop or nadaog ang camera sa imuhang lafi. It's a big problem, right? So this video will provide you with an answer to your problem. So gusto mo makabalo? Unsa pa may gihula? Watch na this.
So here, we need two applications for this. First is for our desktop. Let's type Deb 47 up, this one, free downloads. So you click this one, and then you click official download, click to download, then save file, then tanaw na to ang file. Dana siya 1 because actually nag-download na ko, but just for this tutorial, ako siyang gibalik ang process. Okay, hinay siya. Okay, that was open the file. So here is the application. Ato siyang i-run. Okay, here. So install na nato siya. Okay, gi-extract na. And then reboot now, or I want to manually reboot later. So later lang. Then click finish. So nara ang ato ang Droidcam. Ato siyang i-click here. So let's leave it here muna and let's move on to our mobile phone. So dinhi sa tong mobile phone, ato i-tap ang Play Store. Okay, then let's type Droidcam wireless webcam. Okay, again, in this case, naka-install na sa ako ang phone. So what I need to do is to open lang. So mo ni siya pag-open mo sa application, mo ni siya imong makita. Okay, so we will go back to the Droidcam, the application nga naa sa tuang desktop, and then apil lang din nato ang device IP sa nga gi-display sa tuang Droidcam nga naa sa tuang cellphone. So in this case it's 192.168.1.100. That's it. And then start. So here also na ang hatuang camera. Okay. Oh, bali. Oops. Here. Okay. Hi. I'm using my cell phone as a camera for my desktop. So I'm ready for my online meeting, or I am ready for my online class.
Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button para ma-update ka sa mga bago nga mga videos nga kong i-upload. Thank you and enjoy!